XRP price scares investors out. Ripple price is penetrating below the monthly S1 support level at 58 cents and in the process looking to set a new 6-month low. As investors appear to be backing off, Ripple price action does not look likely to pick up anytime soon, although the RSI is trading firmly in oversold. The reason behind this is that XRP price action keeps selling off regardless of the oversold RSI, which is significant because it means that selling pressure is immense and could be linked to investors divesting their positions. XRP price will not see investors return to these levels anytime soon unless they reach a premium of 52 cents or even 48 cents. Certainly, that last level would bring XRP price to a 7-month low, which could trigger some investors to return to the scene for a lucrative buy opportunity. The RSI would be at the outer barrier of the oversold region by then, thus triggering some profit-taking by bears, as they cover, reverting to the buy side to close off their positions and book gains. Risk-off sentiment has come a long way and pushed several assets towards interesting low levels, which could trigger some buy-the-dip volume. This could accelerate into a U-turn in XRP price action without even having to test a fundamental support level as a prerequisite. This could mean that Ripple price jumps back above 63 cents, and if that uptick continues systematically throughout the week, 78 cents could be quickly hit by Friday. This would set the scene for this weekend and next week as investors finally look beyond the short-term turmoil for longer-term upward potential.